students, today we are going to talk about multiplication and division of fraction. So I'll begin with multiplication of fraction. You can have a look on the board. We have two fractions here, 5 by 3 multiplied by 9 by 10. 5 by 3 is improper fraction and 9 by 10 is a proper fraction. For multiplication you have two options. Either you multiply numerator 5 by 9. So you will get here 5 9s are 45 and 3 10s are is 30. Once you get this fraction, you can convert this into lowest term. So you can have 5 9s are 45, 5 6 are 30. 9 and 6 are the multiple of 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Now you have got 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is a improper fraction. Whenever you will get an improper fraction, you have to convert into mixed fraction by dividing it. So ultimately answer is going to be 1 1 by 2. You can check also 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Now here the second question, we have one fraction in mixed form and other one is a proper fraction. So mixed one will be converted into first improper fraction. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 multiplied by 28 upon 35. Now I have shared one method is this. Second method of doing multiplication is this one. We know that 2 and 28, they are the multiples of the same table. So 2 1s are 2, 2 14s are. We know 7 and 35, they are the multiples of same table. So 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are. We have got what? 14 by 5. It's an improper fraction. So whenever you get an improper fraction, you have to convert into mixed fraction. So you divide 14 by 5 and you will get here 2 4 by 5 as the answer. You can even check 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14 by 5. Now you can see the division of fraction. This is a whole number to be divided by 42 by 8. Always remember that the first number is your dividend and second number is your divisor. So when we are doing division, there will always be a change in the divisor and not on the dividend. So we have here 3. Divide will change into multiplication. You will reciprocate the number and it will become 8 upon 42. Now we all know whole number have the denominator 1 only. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 14s are 42. Now 8 and 14 are the multiples of same table, that is 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are. So your answer is 4 by 7. So here 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20 by 3. Divide will change into multiplication. Reciprocate the divisor. It is always the second number or you can say the divisor which is reciprocated. So 50 upon 10. So we know 10 1s are 10, 10 5s are. Nothing cancels vertically or diagonally. So 20 into 5 will make it as 100 upon 3. So you will get here 3 3 1 by 3 as the answer. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3 divided by 14 into 4 56 plus 1 57 upon 14. Now after this 7 by 3 divide will change into multiplication, 14 upon reciprocated, so it will 14 upon 57. Now we cannot cancel anything as such, so we can multiply. So when we will multiply, it will be here 98 and here we will have 21 171. So this is going to be the answer. In case you can convert this into lowest term, you can go ahead. Thank you for watching this video.